She's just a small town girl raised in the South, heart full of dreams with no one to see what she's all about. She's not the one to run around and cheat, gives her love with no one to tell how much she means. And she knows that hearts grow cold the longer it goes, that you can't let go, but you gotta let go to the sound in the know of I love you. He's just a city boy looking for a dream, had a heartbreak that knocked him off his feet, found that love is never true when it's for free, sacrifice and hope is its currency. And he knows that hearts grow cold the longer it goes, that you can't let go, but you gotta let go to the sound and the know of I love you. So take somebody's hand and hold it tight, kiss them on the mouth all through the night. Hearts were never meant to be alone, they're always at their best when someone's close. No one sees the best things that you did, everyone's so stuck up in their head, but every heart remembers a love's first kiss, a soul that cared enough just to forgive. If we could take a look at what's inside, see what really makes us come alive, I know we'd be surprised by what we find, keeping up an image to survive. But when you hear the sound of a softened heart, open up the door into your heart, joining in the sound of letting go, a simple song that everyone knows of I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. She's just a small town girl with a heart full of dreams. He's a city boy knocked off his feet. They found love at the bottom and on their knees. When you find someone, just let go and breathe.